Hi everyone, today I'm gonna introduce a research essay I read before. The title of this essay is Human-Directed Social Behavior in Dogs Shows Scientific Heritability. My name is Yunfei Zhang and I'm the student in the Bio 281. So the background of this experiment is because of the domestic and coevolution with humans, dogs have the developed ability to attract human attention. And the aim of this study were to investigate within bred variation in human-directed contact seeking in dogs and estimate a genetic basis. About the experiment, for this experiment is performed a behavioral task targeting the communicative skills of dogs on the large, well-defined population of laboratory badgers, bred and housed under highly standardized conditions. So the purpose of the experimentation is to evaluate within the broad variation and heritability in human direct contact seeking behavior. The material and the method. The first method is the first step is we have like 10 caretakers, both male and female. And second step is one member of the staff would therefore not necessarily always working in the same stables. The third step is the dogs were fed in the morning once a day at the same time and usually the outside pens, and they had the constructed ad libitum supply of water. The final step is the stop at the candle performed the simple sociability test at 5 and 11 months of the age, and the 49 weeks of the final test was carried out in order to judge the stability of the dog's participation in different medical research projects. And the second method is the animal tested. All tests as well as handling the problem to the different tests was carried out by the same female experimenter. So different with the first method is we have the 10 experimenter, both the male and the female. So the second method is only the female. So here's a picture of the equipment we used in this experiment, and here's the equipment of the left box and the right box. There's no food in there. There's food in there. Both the box had the food, and the middle one the dog cannot open it. And we have like the evolution, the criteriation. We have the feeding score include the late feeding, medium feeding, and the early feeding. And we also have the body posture score, include the confident, fairly confident, neutral, often anxious, and the anxious part. Here's a picture of the effect of age on the PCA, which means the principal comprehension scores of the PC1 and PC3. And here's the effect of sex on the PCA common scores. The result of the experiment is there was no scientific effect of sex or age separately on principal common score on the test in interaction, but there was the scientific interaction between sex and age, and the score on the social interaction was scientifically affected by sex, where female had the higher scores. Here's a reference and the cited role. Thank you.